Christmas cards don't have to be red and green. This Secret C white combo proves exactly that. And I promise you're going to love it. Let's get making it. So to make this card, I'm using the Stitched Stocking Bundle, which has a whole ton of versatility. And I started with half a sheet of thick basic white cardstock. Now the thick cardstock is definitely thicker than our standard basic white, so it's great for card bases. I did score this at 4 1/4, and I'm going to hold it towards the bottom here where it stays nice and lined up, and then use my bone folder to crease that. It's very important to actually score your thick cardstock because it will tend to crack if you don't. The next layer is going to be with some Secret C cardstock and this beautiful designer series paper. So much fun. Love these little snowflakes. So I'm going to attach the designer series paper to the Secret C cardstock. I could do this in a multiple of ways, but I'm going to just put it right here for now, this way. And then I'm going to add this assembly to my card base right in the middle. Top to bottom in the middle. I think I'm pretty close there. Looks like it anyway. Close enough for me anyway. Then the next layer is going to be some basic white, regular cardstock, and another strip of Secret C. I'm going to put these two together. These are all, I don't always do things that are actually across the whole card there. Have you noticed that? I don't do that very often. So it's kind of fun to play outside my box a little bit this time. How often do you guys play outside your box? I'd love to know about that in the comments. It's nice to hear how other people stretch their design time. Okay, so this I'm going to just put across the middle here, just like that. Kind of simple, right? Then I'm going to bring in some die cuts. Now these cute little square die cuts have the little stitching around them. So they're extra nice to use there. So those are part of the die set, and I'm going to use Secret C ink. And I'm going to use, they have some, the die set, or the stamp set has like different patterns that you can use in these little squares. I'm going to use the snowflakes for this card, and I'm going to do it on 2 of the little squares. 1, 2. Love it. Okay. And then I'm going to use this little plaid, little hashtag type thing. And we're going to put those right there. And a second one. I love how that makes that look. It's just so cute. It's like a little adorable little thing. And 2. So now I have 2 that are hashtag and 2 that are snowflake. And I'm going to attach those. I'm going to use liquid glue for these because it's easier to get them lined up when they're so small. It's hard to get the tape on there, right? When it's small items. All right. And I'm going to do a one on the side here. And then I'm going to get a snowflake and put it on the other side. This is going to help me build my spacing. And then the snowflake on that side. And the liquid glue is going to help that too. If I'm a little bit off on my spacing, I can slide them around a little bit, which it looks like I need to do. I need to pull this one in just a little bit. And the liquid glue makes it so that you can actually move these around, and then this can be slid over a little bit. And this one is definitely starting to dry, and it is crooked. So we need to fix that. There we go. All right, so I have my 4 little squares there. Nice little background, little extra. And then just a simple strip of paper with some Secret C and the greeting. And I love this greeting. May all your days be merry and bright. And of course, since I didn't use red and green, this is almost an oxymoron. There we go. But I like dark blue, don't you? And I'm going to make this really simple and just kind of cut the ends on an angle, left and right here. I do that a lot, don't I? And this I'm going to put on with some dimensionals. Let me get 3 of them on here. This is kind of a long piece of paper. So I'll do 3 dimensionals. Take off those backings. I love it when cards are this easy. Now, if you're making like, a whole bunch of Christmas cards, this is definitely one that would be really easy to do multiples of. Isn't that just lovely? Not traditional, but yet it's a really cute little card. And before you go, I've got a discovery card coming up in August. That's my free monthly class, and I'm really excited about it, but I'm not ready to show you yet what this month is going to be or what August is going to be. But if you place an order with me that's $50 or more before shipping and tax before the end of this month, you'll end up getting the card kit the first week of August, and then you can stamp along with me on the 3rd Sunday of the month. So those are always fun to play with. So go ahead and visit me on the YouTube channel. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and then that way you'll get notified when I go live, and you will be able to participate in my free online discovery class. In other words, I've had a great day stamping with you, and you have a stamp happy day. Bye now.